Our subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just iMessage is not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, just go to the settings, just open the settings. In the settings you need to find here messages, so just open messages, just tap on the messages, and after you can also just try to turn off iMessage and turn it on again. So just try to restore your iMessage. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have error, so just go back, just find here general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.